Amaphoyisa ayaphenya mayelana nesigameko sokujikijelwa kwamabhomu esandla ekhali kaNhlanhla Dlamini. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uBheki Cele kanye nabaphenyi bazifikele emathupha endaweni yesigameko. Ngenkathi echaza okwenzekile uNhlanhla ukuvezile ukuthi yena ubengekho endlini.
It's the same strategy they use when they do ATM bombings. After the bomb taking money, they move shooting so that the ordinary person is intimidated from even just looking. So it's just one of those tactics. It's not like the firearm was used here deliberately for a certain purpose. The only
Where were
purpose,
you?
I was making sure there's law and order across Soweto.
You were not in the house?
I was not in the house. I got called after that Mirrorland arrest, the arrest there.
Cele uthe ngenkathi ezwa ngalesi sigameko asizwakalanga njengesibucayi kangako, kodwa ukufika kwakhe emathupha umenze wabona ubucayi baso.
Izwakale into engathi ayinkulu, but when you come here you realize ukuthi it's something serious. When you see those windows and you can see that it was something powerful.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ufike nophiko loklebe ngenhloso yokuthola umsuka walendaba.
We have brought DPCI as young amahawks because in the serious threatening state.
Cele uqinisekisile ukuthi abaphenyi bazokwenza ngayo yonke indlela ukuthola imbangela yalesi sigameko. Silindo kuhle ngidi indaba enze SABC.